we don't always want to be dealing with big numbers when we do our calculations. So by using cancelling and simplifying where we can spot it, we can make the job a lot easier for ourselves. So if I have a look at this one here, we have 5/8. So I'm going to write that down here, 5/8 times 5/20. I can immediately see two opportunities. I can cross cancel or I can simplify 5/20. So what am I going to do? I'm going to simplify 5/20. So that'll be dividing it by 5. And so now it's this. 5/8 times 1/4. Can't really do anything else, so I can really start on this solving the problem now. So 5 times 1, so numerator times numerator, it's 5. Denominator times denominator is 32, and this happens to be the final answer, so 5/32 is the final answer. This one over here, it's going to be big calculation down here on this. I can simplify it, so cross-cancelling, divide by 4. So here we go. I can divide here as I can simplify 4/4 as 1/1. So basically I've rewritten it to look like this. 1/1 times 1/19. I can solve that. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 19 is 19. So the final answer is a 19th. And that made the whole thing a lot simpler. When you have a whole number, you've got to ensure it's a fraction. So renaming any whole number is itself over 1. So 5/1 times 11/25. Can't simplify 11/25 or 5/1, but I can cross cancel. So divide by 5 and divide by 5. And now I have 1/1 times 11/5. So that becomes 11/5. So 1 times 1 is 11. 1 times 5 is that. It's 5, I should say. And that becomes 2 1/5. So the final answer is 2 1/5. It's as simple as it can get as a mixed number. Again, I'll rewrite 8 as a fraction times 6/32. And now I've got some opportunities to cross cancel. Divide by 8 becomes a 1. Divide by 8 becomes a 4. 6/4 I can divide by 2. So that becomes a 3/2. So tidy it all up. It looks like this. 1/1 times 3/2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. And that is 1 1/2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 1/2.